So friends, today we'll see how to work with array variables in UiPath. So let's get started. So I have created a project called array variable. So we'll find a minimum number and maximum number in an array variable. Start a new sequence. We'll start a new sequence and we'll create few variables. I will create a variable called array variable. We'll create an array variable. We need to create an array of integer. 7, 5, 8, 20, 80, 56. Okay. So next we'll create one more variable to find out the mean, that is also a integer value, and we'll create one more variable called maximum, that is also integer. Okay, so we'll assign the minimum value to, so those are the new variables, so those are the integer values. So we'll take a value from the array variable of the first value we were assigned to minimum. We'll take one more assign activity. We'll assign the maximum value also to the first value. So the first value of the array variable stored in minimum and maximum. Now we'll start a loop for each loop. So we'll check each and every value of the array variable. So that is each item of the array variable, and we'll store that. And we need to change the type argument, as it is integer value in the array, so we'll change to integer, and I will store it to index. So stored in index. You can see index is also integer. So each item in integer of the array variable. So we will take if condition, if array variable of the index is less than the minimum number, then we'll assign that minimum to that index, array value index. Control space. So if the array variable index is less than minimum, then we'll reassign the minimum value to that index value. If it is, again we'll take one more if condition. If the array variable of index is greater than maximum, then we'll reassign maximum to maximum equal to array variable of that index. So it's done now. So this is for, we'll rename this to maximum value. Value. Yes. Now we have already assigned the minimum and maximum value. Just will write, we'll use write line outside the loop. Maximum number is plus is what, mx. So this is the integer value, we need to change it to string. Then one more is minimum. So minimum number is just save it and run. So first we have created a variable called array variable of type integer, and we have assigned some values to that. We will find the minimum and maximum number from that array variable. Okay, so still it's showing some error, you can check. Function need to find out where are the errors here, because we need to say integer, we need to change it to string. Okay, so now it's done, so we'll run it. So you can see the output is maximum number is 8 and minimum number is 5. So you can change also the values. I will change to 180 and 5 to 50. We'll run again, we'll see what's the output. So output is now maximum number is 180, minimum number is 7. So in this way you can work with array variable. Thank you.